Hello. Welcome to our video on the 10 habits of rich people. In this video, we will explore what successful people have in common and how you can incorporate these habits into your own life to achieve your goals of success and wealth. So, if you are ready to learn how rich people achieve success, stay with us until the end of this video. Habit number 1. Setting goals. Rich people often set clear, specific, and measurable goals for themselves and their businesses. Start by identifying what you want to achieve. This could be a short-term goal, such as completing a specific task, or a long-term goal, such as building a successful business. Make your goals specific and measurable. Rather than simply saying, "I want to be rich," try setting a specific financial goal, such as, "I want to increase my net worth by $500,000 in the next 5 years." Set a deadline for achieving your goals. This can help to give you a sense of urgency and motivation. Break your goals down into smaller, more manageable tasks. This can make the process of achieving your goals feel less overwhelming. Regularly review and revise your goals. As you make progress towards your goals, you may find that you need to adjust your plans or set new goals. That's okay. The process of setting and achieving goals is ongoing, and it's important to stay flexible and adapt as needed. Habit number 2. Reading. Many successful people are voracious readers, as reading can help to expand one's knowledge and perspective. Set aside dedicated time for reading. This could be a specific time each day, or a certain number of hours per week. Choose materials that interest you. If you're not excited about what you're reading, it will be harder to stay motivated. Consider choosing books, articles, or other materials that align with your interests or goals. Set achievable goals for how much you want to read. Starting with small goals, such as reading a certain number of pages or chapters each day, can help to build the habit gradually. Find a comfortable and quiet place to read. This can help to minimize distractions and allow you to focus on the material. Take notes or highlight key points as you read. This can help you to retain the information and recall it later. Regularly review what you've read. This can help to reinforce the information and ensure that you're retaining it. Habit number 3. Networking. Building and maintaining a strong network of contacts can be beneficial for personal and professional growth. Identify the types of people you want to connect with. This could include industry experts, potential clients or customers, or individuals with similar interests or goals. Attend events and join groups related to your industry or interests. This can be a great way to meet new people and start building your network. Offer value to your network. Look for ways that you can help others in your network, whether it's by sharing useful information, introducing them to other contacts, or offering your expertise. Stay in touch with your network regularly. Make an effort to stay connected with the people in your network, whether through social media, email, or in-person meetings. Be authentic and genuine in your interactions. People are more likely to want to build a relationship with you if they feel that you are sincere and have their best interests at heart. Habit number 4. Staying organized. Successful people often have systems in place to stay organized and manage their time effectively. Create a to-do list. Write down all of the tasks that you need to complete and prioritize them based on importance or deadline. Use a calendar. Keep track of your appointments and commitments by using a physical or digital calendar. Set aside specific times for different tasks. Rather than trying to multitask or constantly switching between tasks, try to batch similar tasks together and work on them during dedicated blocks of time. Keep your workspace clean and organized. A cluttered desk can be a major distraction, so make an effort to keep your work area tidy and free of unnecessary clutter. Use tools and technologies to your advantage. There are many tools and apps available that can help you to stay organized and manage your time effectively. Experiment with different options to find what works best for you. Habit number 5. Exercise. Exercise can help to improve physical and mental health, and some successful people make it a priority in their daily routines. Set specific and achievable fitness goals. This could be a certain number of days per week that you want to exercise, or a specific fitness goal, such as running a 5K or increasing your strength. Choose activities that you enjoy. If you don't enjoy the type of exercise you're doing, it will be harder to stay motivated. Consider trying out different types of exercise to find what works best for you. Schedule your workouts in advance. Add your exercise sessions to your calendar just like any other appointment and treat them as non-negotiable. Vary your workouts to keep things interesting. Mixing up your workouts can help to prevent boredom and keep you motivated. Celebrate your progress. As you make progress towards your fitness goals, take the time to celebrate your achievements and give yourself credit for the hard work you've put in. Habit number 6. Continuing education. Many successful people make a point of continuing to learn and grow throughout their lives. Identify your learning goals. What do you want to learn or achieve through continuing education? Be specific and focus on areas that are relevant to your career or personal interests. Make a plan. Determine how much time and resources you can commit to continuing education and come up with a plan for how you'll achieve your learning goals. Take advantage of online resources. There are many online courses, tutorials, and educational resources available that can help you to learn new skills or knowledge. Seek out in-person opportunities. Consider attending workshops, conferences, or other in-person events that can provide valuable learning experiences. Stay motivated. Continuing education can be challenging at times, so it's important to find ways to stay motivated and on track. Consider setting small, achievable goals and reward yourself when you reach them. Habit number 7. Seeking out mentors. Having a mentor or advisor can provide valuable guidance and support on the path to success. Identify what you hope to gain from a mentorship. Do you want to learn specific skills or knowledge, or do you want guidance on your career path? Having a clear idea of what you want to gain from a mentorship can help you to find the right mentor. Research potential mentors. Look for individuals who have the experience and knowledge that you're looking for, and consider reaching out to them to see if they might be interested in mentoring you. Be proactive in seeking out a mentor. Don't be afraid to approach people you admire or respect and ask if they would be willing to mentor you. While it's possible that some people may not be interested or able to take on a mentee, others may be open to the opportunity. Habit number 8. Being proactive. Instead of waiting for opportunities to come their way, successful people often actively seek out and create opportunities for themselves. Identify your goals and priorities. Knowing what you want to achieve can help you to stay focused and motivated, and also help you to recognize opportunities when they arise. Take the initiative. Rather than waiting for opportunities to come to you, be proactive in seeking out and creating opportunities for yourself. This could involve networking, asking for a new assignment or responsibility at work, or starting a side hustle. Take calculated risks. While it's important to be cautious, sometimes taking a calculated risk can pay off in the long run. Consider the potential rewards and risks of a situation before deciding whether or not to pursue it. Don't be afraid to ask for help. If you're not sure how to pursue an opportunity or don't know where to start, don't be afraid to ask for help or advice from others. Habit number 9. Being resilient. Successful people often have the ability to bounce back from setbacks and failures and continue working towards their goals. Set realistic expectations. Recognize that success often requires hard work and that there will be challenges and setbacks along the way. Setting realistic expectations can help you to stay focused and motivated and avoid becoming discouraged by setbacks. Stay positive. It's important to maintain a positive attitude even when things aren't going as planned. This can help you to stay motivated and focused, and also make you more resilient in the face of challenges. Practice self-care. Taking care of your physical and mental health can help you to stay resilient and better equipped to handle challenges that come your way. Learn from others. Look for role models or mentors who have demonstrated resilience in their own lives, and learn from their experiences and strategies. Habit number 10. Being persistent. Rich people often have a strong sense of determination and are willing to put in the hard work and effort required to achieve their goals. Stay focused and avoid distractions. It's easy to get sidetracked, so it's important to stay focused on your goals and avoid distractions that can derail your progress. Stay motivated. Find ways to stay motivated and keep yourself moving forward, even when faced with challenges. This could involve setting small rewards for yourself as you make progress or finding a support network to keep you motivated. Don't give up. Recognize that achieving your goals may take time and effort, and that there may be setbacks along the way. It's important to stay persistent and keep working towards your goals, even when faced with challenges. Celebrate your achievements. As you make progress towards your goals, take the time to celebrate your achievements and give yourself credit for the hard work you've put in. This can help to keep you motivated and focused on your goals. We hope you have found some valuable and inspiring information in this video and that you can begin to implement these habits in your own life. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this. Thank you for watching and see you next time.